In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Metatrader 5 on mobile. By the end, you'll be confidently signed in and ready to trade from your phone. Before we start, make sure you have your trading account number, your trading password, and the correct server name from your broker. Keep those details private and never share them. First, open the Metatrader 5 app on your phone. Double check that it's MT5, not MT4, since they're separate apps. If this is your first time launching MT5, you might briefly see a default demo account or a prompt to open an account. That's normal. We're going to log in to your existing account instead. Next, head to the Accounts section. On many Android devices, you'll see Manage Accounts. On iPhone, go to Settings and then Accounts. If a window pops up suggesting open an account, that's okay. Look for the option to add or log in. Tap Add Account or Log in to Existing Account. We're not creating a new trading account here. We're just connecting the app to the one you already have with your broker. Now, search for your broker. In the search bar, start typing the broker's name. Examples include XNES, IC Markets, XM, FBS, or Funded Next. When the list appears, select the exact server your broker provided. Brokers often have multiple servers with names like Live, Real, or Demo, sometimes with numbers or regions attached. Pick the one that matches your account type and the details in your broker's email or client portal. Choosing the wrong server is a common reason logins fail, so take a moment to confirm it's correct. Enter your login details. For login, type your trading account number. For password, use your trading password, not your email password and not an investor or read-only password. The server field should reflect the server you just selected. Carefully enter the details, watch out for extra spaces if you pasted, and remember that passwords are case sensitive. Then tap Sign In or Log In. A stable internet connection helps this go smoothly. Finally, confirm you're connected. If the login is successful, you'll see live quotes updating, charts loading, and your balance or equity displayed. Your account will also appear in the accounts list, making it easy to switch later if you have more than one. If something doesn't load, recheck your account number, password, and server, and make sure your connection is stable. If needed, look back at your broker's welcome email or contact their support. That's it. You're logged into Metatrader 5 on mobile and ready to go.